Welcome everyone to Ad Climber 14, released in 2025. Please sit back and watch how you can get your Craigslist ads up with record-breaking time, have them go green at a much higher percentage, and use our AI O1 models to convert your ads from standard-looking Times New Roman ads into very vibrant looking ads that will get you more clicks, more searches, and ultimately more conversions from your customers. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Let's start here and run a campaign. So it goes as normal. You make your ads inside of Advert Manager with Create Advert. You can also import them in other ways. Once that's done, you make a campaign in our campaign section. So you go to New Campaign, and you'll generate a campaign title. We have some AI prompts to start with, and you select your ads, your location, and you click Save. Once that's done, you'll see your campaign show up here. We highlight our campaign, select Craigslist. Let's use our AI generation for our ads and randomize those images, and go ahead and click Start. Now you'll see our Craigslist window pop up, which shows what accounts we can choose from. Let's go ahead and choose one of our default accounts here. And let's set this to a 0-minute interval and just rapid fire some ads in. So the first thing that's going to happen is you'll see our prompts have rewritten the titles. And over here, we have the software now logging in and starting to post ads. So what you'll notice is we're clicking through these fields. The AI is filling in everything. We're taking your image, changing it, adding different pixel sizes, naming the photo, doing all kinds of stuff, and it's going to go ahead and publish that ad in a second. So you'll see my mouse is up here. Everything's automatically done. Now, once that's done, we'll go ahead and jump right into the next ad. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and post this next ad here. And it's going through, writing a different prompt. You'll see over here on this one, it's using certain words that Craigslist likes to see versus other words they don't. So we failed on this middle ad because it didn't like something with it. So I believe it's because we posted it twice. So let's go ahead and look at some of our final products here. So let's just jump over to Craigslist. Okay, and here's the window pulled up. Let me slide that into view over here. So here's the ads that we just ran. So you can see these other two ads, they ended up in the draft section, and it's because we didn't have the photos loaded on it. So we actually put a phone number or an email in the ad. So let's go ahead and just remove this off just for sake. And we can go ahead and just finalize this ad here. And we'll just skip on the photo, which was missing last time, just to get this ad published. So there we go. Now let's go back to our account. And we can go over here and click on the last ad and go ahead and click done. So the problem was there was phone number data in the ad, and our system actually caught it, changed it, and put it into drafts, thus saving you from getting any flagging that you don't want to actively get. So just take a look at some of these ads here. You can see we've created some emojis in the title. We've written out our ad with just minimal information. This helps get by flagging circumstances. Let's go down, take a look at another ad here. So we've added some different emojis, uploaded a few more photos, and now this laid out a little bit more information here. So all this can allow the person to get in touch with you. So let's take a look at just one more ad that we got over here, and we'll do one that we haven't deleted yet. Let's just look at this one down here. So very simple title, couple asterisks inside of it. Pictures are uploaded, but then we put a little more effort into the ad details here. So you can see this information, contact us today. All a very clean ad. All the ads are working very well this time of year. So we recommend you get those extra leads that you want to get and go into Craigslist, start posting ads and start getting real results. As you can see, these are all automatically ran. So, happy posting. And on top of that, there are other features in the software. You can post ads on Facebook Marketplace as well with your rental properties, anything that would rely there. But as far as our Craigslist posting goes, pretty much every category you need, we offer. So feel free to reach out to us and message us at adclimber.com. And we hope to have you on our team very soon. And from the Ad Climber family, we hope you have a wonderful 2025.